Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Tableau. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of space function in Tableau. So I have basically taken a data set named as global superstore. From that I have taken this particular order sheet in this schema pane. These are the different dimensions and the measures. So you can find out one drop down over here. Just click on this particular drop down. Now click on create calculated field. So this will appear as calculation 1 by default. So just click on, you can rename it to space function. So right at space function, so this new calculation or calculated field will appear in the dimension. Just type as space tab. So what does it says that basically space function when we are going to use, so it basically returns a string which is composed of the specified number of repeated spaces. So we can type a number in between. So let us type 1, which is equals to space. So it is basically saying that the calculation is valid, space bracket 1 equal to inverted comma space inverted comma close. So the calculation is valid. So the space function basically works as true or false. So it basically returns a string, means text, which is composed of the specified number of repeated spaces. So it returns back and it tells that whether it is true or false. So we can just apply and click on OK. So you can find out a new tab over here, which is created under the dimensions. A new field is being created under the dimensions, true or false. So I'll just click on any of the, so I'll click on this particular customer name, which is having basically a string data. Yeah, so I'll drag it and drop it in the rows shelf. I'll take this particular space function in the row shelf. So it basically says that it will be true. So it is basically returning how much space is there. So it is basically returning to the particular string. So it is basically saying that it is true. So the space in between this is nothing but 1. So what we have taken over here, you can just cross check. So if you have click on this particular space function 1. So if I have changed this to say any other number, so it will be different. So it is now saying that it is true. So if we want to take any of the measures, so I'll just double click on this particular profit. So it will show me the customer name as it is going to return back to this particular string. So whatever number we have given in the space function in that particular calculation, so if one number space is being provided, so it will say true for this particular customer name. So these are the different customer wise profit which is shown in this particular table. So this was the space function. I hope you have understood how it is going to work. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.